Welcome back to Processing Brains. In this video, we will learn how to upgrade to iOS 16. So the process to download and install iOS 16 is quite easy and simple. Simply go and open up your phone settings. Before moving on, one thing that you need to know is iOS 16 is available for iPhone 8 and above, all above models like iPhone X and iPhone 11, 12, 13 and 14. So iOS 16 is not available for iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. So once you are here, you need to scroll down a bit, and here you can see General. Just go and tap on General. Here you need to go to Software Update, and here you can see it says checking for update. So simply wait for this process to complete. So here we are. Now at the bottom you can see also available upgrade to iOS 16. Tap on this one. Now here go and tap on download and install. It would ask for your passcode, enter that. So once you have done so, here you can see the process is starting. Now just go and tap on agree at the right bottom corner. Again tap on agree. So within few moments, you will be able to see, here you can see the update is requested. Under the Apple INC, you can see update requested. And depending upon the server, within few moments, the download process of the update will start. So wait for that process to start. I am pausing the video and I'll join once this process of downloading starts. So here you can see within 30 seconds to a minute, the download process will start. And here it says about 29 minutes remaining. So it totally depends upon your internet connection, how long will this take. And the download is around 4 to 5 GB. So you can see the process is going on, and it will automatically continue this download process, and you need to simply wait for this download to complete. And what I would do is I would pause the video, and once the download is completed, I'll join back. So once the download process completes, this preparing update will start. And now this is the process of installation of iOS 16 on your iPhone. So before preparing update, there would be a status of requesting update again. So that could take a bit of a time. Now you can see it's again on preparing update. And so you need to just wait for this process to complete. Meanwhile, you can use your phone. There is no issue that you cannot use your phone. So here we are. And what I could do is I would again pause the video and will join you back when there is any status update. So the preparing update could take 15 to 20 minutes, and once that is completed, and you have tapped on install now, and it would verify update, and within few moments the phone will automatically restart. And once the phone is restarted, you'll be able to see that this screen, and this is the installation process. So simply go and wait for it. It could take around 30 to 40 minutes or even more depending upon your phone. So simply wait for this. So here you can see the update is successfully installed, and it says software update. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 16. So you can simply go and unlock that. And here you can see, and even if I go to settings, go to general and go to about, here you can see the iOS version is 16. So hope by doing so you'll be able to download and install iOS 16 on your phone, and hope that this would help you to update to iOS 16. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.